Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to prepare homemade bread. Simple and easy. For this recipe it is important that the oven is not preheated. We are going to need 400 grams of flour, 240 milliliters of water, 25 grams of fresh yeast, 4 milliliters of oil and a little bit of salt. First of all, we are going to start by preparing the mold. It needs to have a cover. We are also going to need baking paper to cover the bottom of the mold to make sure the bread doesn't stick. So now we are going to start. We heat 1/3 of the water. It is important that the water is not too hot. The temperature needs to be mild. Otherwise, the yeast won't be able to act properly. Meanwhile, we can add the flour to the bowl. We make sure that the water has reached mild temperature. If it has, then we can proceed. We add the yeast and blend it together with the water. When it is blended, we pour the mix into the flour. We pour the rest of the water into the container we used to blend the yeast and the water. Then we start adding the water to the flour little by little. First some, and then the rest. We mix it all together. We add the oil and the salt. We knead the bread dough for 5 to 10 minutes. Until we get a texture similar to the one in the video. We place the dough in the mold. It needs to have a shape similar to this one, like a ball. And to get the better result, we are going to cut the surface of the bread dough, like this. As we said, it is important that the oven was not preheated. We are going to have it in the oven for around 40 to 45 minutes, depends on the oven, 30 minutes with the cover and 10 to 15 minutes without the cover, until it is brown and done. Here we have the result, a delicious bread to eat on its own or to accompany any other meal. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please subscribe.